Hi guys, it's Cheat Day Tuesday.
G'day guys, Robbo here again. Today I'm going to be doing a comparison video with the McDonald's McSpicy burger and the KFC Zinger. Going to see which one's the spiciest. Let's give them a go. Going to start off with the chicken McSpicy from McDonald's. Straight away hits you with a little bit of spice, and I've got a feeling it's going to pick up with the more bites. Yep, it's definitely starting to build up now. I had brought me water with me. I'm going to need it in a minute. Okay, so I've had a few bites of that one, and I can feel the burn, and it did hit me straight away, as I said. So I have a bit of water and cool it down, and then we'll see how quickly the Zinger gets me. Actually, I need more of that. I still have chicken in my mouth. Sorry. There we go. Alright. Now, for the KFC Zinger. Now, where do I get in? I knew I should have unwrapped it before. Never find the fold. Making a mess too. Alright. Let's see. And I've just dropped more out. Oh my leg. That sucks, that's nice and messy. Look at it. Heaps of sauce. Mayo. But that one hasn't really hit me yet. I've had 2 bites. Yeah, I thought I'd better throw in a 3rd bite because I had 3 bites of the other one. But yeah, I'm not really getting, there's a tiny bit there of spice, but I'm not getting much. So if you want spicy, my recommendation is the chicken McSpicy from McDonald's. Gets you a lot quicker and it's a lot more spicier, and you'll really feel the burn, trust me. Alright, well, I think I've made enough mess today, so that's going to do it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.